Current and future in service: United States Air Force, fighter jets, special mission jets, helicopters, trainer jets, and UAV. F-22, Raptor, role, stealth air superiority, in service, 186. F-35, Lightning II, role, stealth multi-role fighter, in service, 229, on order, 1,534. F-15, Eagle, role, multi-role aircraft, in service, 266. F-15, Strike, Eagle, role, multi-role aircraft, in service, 219. F-16, Fighting Falcon, role, multi-role aircraft, in service, 1078. Northrop Grumman, B-2 Spirit, role, stealth strategic bomber, in service, 20. Rockwell, B-1 Lancer, role, strategic bomber, in service, 59. Boeing, E-3 Sentry, role, airborne early warning and control, in service, 31. EC-130H Compass Call, role, electronic warfare, in service, 12. Lockheed, U-2, role, reconnaissance aircraft, in service, 30. Beechcraft, MC-12, role, surveillance aircraft, in service, 32. Sikorsky, HH-60, role, combat search and rescue, in service, 84, on order, 22. Bell, Boeing, V-22 Osprey, role, combat search and rescue, in service, 50, on order, 1. Augusta, Westland, AW-139, role, utility helicopter, on order, 84. Northrop, T-38 Talon, role, advanced trainer, in service, 505. Beechcraft, T-6 Texan II, role, advanced trainer, in service, 446. Raytheon, T-1, Jayhawk, role, multi-engine trainer, in service, 176. MQ-1, Predator, role, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, in service, unknown numbers. MQ-9, Predator, role, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, in service, unknown numbers. RQ-4, Global, Hawk, role, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, in service, 40+. RQ-170, Sentinel, role, unmanned aerial vehicle, in service, 20. Kratos, XQ-58, Valkyrie, role, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, expected, 2021. Lockheed Martin SR-72, role, hypersonic strategic reconnaissance UAV, expected, 2024. Northrop Grumman, B-21 Raider, role, stealth strategic bomber, expected, 2025. FA-XX, program, role, 6th generation fighter, expected, 2030. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.